Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over how I would set up a portfolio from scratch if I was just getting into crypto today in mid-December of 2023. I'll be going over my strategy, my thought process, and a few of the coins that I would include in this portfolio and why I would actually include them. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the end of this video. It's time to get into it and let the gains be with you. So I get questions all the time from people that find my YouTube channel online, from people that find me on Twitter, even people that meet me in real life and come to learn that I am into crypto. They ask me things like what coins should I buy, how should I structure my portfolio, etc. So I'm making this video to answer that question very clearly. Now, I wrote a free ebook. This is available for free on Gumroad, and this was released in early September of 2023 this year, around 4 or 5 months ago or so. And I go over my entire thought process, my entire strategy, my entire approach to how to win in this upcoming crypto bull cycle. If you have not read this ebook yet, it is free. Go to the link in the description down below. It will take you to Gumroad. You can put in $0 and get the ebook. I've been saying this for months, and there's still people that have not read this ebook yet. And this will answer so many of your questions and give you so much insight into my thought process and into my strategy. And my strategy goes against the grain for most. I focus on a high growth, high performance portfolio. It is a bit riskier. It's important to understand. Obviously, this is not financial advice, but right now I'm in my mid-20s. I can afford to take some risks. I came from literally nothing. 6 years ago, I was a college dropout with barely any money to my name. And now I am where I am today with nothing but pure belief in myself and hard work. So if I was to lose everything tomorrow, I know I will be able to get it all back because I've done it before and I know I can do it again. But nonetheless, I can afford to take some risks. So I don't hold any Bitcoin or Ethereum in my portfolio. For a lot of people that are older, or maybe people that are scared to take so much risk in the crypto market, maybe you want to hold Bitcoin and ETH. That's completely fine. But my strategy, I don't hold any of it because I think I can see so much better returns in a lot of the other projects on the market. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and pull up the ebook. And I share a lot of the coins that I am bullish on. Keep in mind, this was released back in September. And with that, some of my opinions have changed on a few of the coins that I mentioned in this ebook, mainly HBAR down here. I don't really recommend holding HBAR. Will it do well? It probably will pump at some point in time this cycle. The main narrative it has for it is the CBDC narrative. As a layer one, there are much better layer ones, in my opinion, out there on the market that are newer, that have not experienced a full bull cycle yet. But that's kind of the main one that I really am not too interested in nowadays that I put in this ebook. Now, I go over a lot of the very high potential promising coins, and I do hold a lot of these coins actually in my own portfolio. So again, this is all available for free. I'm showing you this list, but this list is not the value in the ebook. The value is all in the text here, in the strategy and my mindset and my philosophy on how to structure the portfolio and why I do things. So again, go get yourself the free ebook and read it. Read it again and again and again until it becomes concrete and clear if you really want to win this cycle, because it's already crushing, right? A lot of the coins that I go over in the ebook I've been holding for months now, and I've seen amazing returns. Some of them are up 8, 9x. Some of them are up 3, 4, 5x. Most of them are. So it's worked out well for me, and I think it will continue to work out well as we do go into the bull cycle, because we're really just getting started here. So anyways, I'm going to go over 5 coins right now that, in my opinion, are very, very high growth potential projects that have a lot left in the gas tank to keep on performing in this bull run. So let's go ahead and get into coin number 1, and that's going to be Kaspa. So Kaspa, as a layer 1 blockchain, it's actually a block DAG, not necessarily a blockchain, but Kaspa is, in my opinion, destined to be in the top 10 crypto market cap. Right now, it is ranked number 33 with a $2.6 billion market cap, trading for 12 cents. I've covered Kaspa a lot here on the channel, so I'm not going to do a full in-depth overview on Kaspa, but what I will do is go ahead and look at the price chart and go over the price action of Kaspa. So right now, it is trading in a range between 11.5 cents up to around 14, 15 cents. The all-time high is 15.489 cents at the current moment in time. Now, buying at range lows is typically a good idea. Not financial advice, but currently we're at a range low. All right, so I think 12 cents in the grand scheme of things. I have Caspa going to $3 to $5 in this bull run. I think that is possible. So, 12 cents isn't the worst entry. But if we do break down, if it does break down from here, you have a pretty clear daily demand zone just beneath 10 cents. All right, so that's where I would be looking for Caspa. But again, current price, grand scheme of things with where we are in the bull cycle, just getting started, it's a pretty good buy price, in my own opinion. Let's go ahead and move on to coin number 2. And so Caspa makes up one of the largest allocations in my personal port. The biggest allocation is Bitget or Tau. Tau currently trading for $362, ranked number 39 in market cap. Another one that I believe is destined to be in that top 10. Tau right now has a market cap of $2.1 billion. And in terms of the circulating supply and the max, it is based off of Bitcoin's tokenomics. And right now, 5.8 million out of the 21 million total coins are in circulation. So Tau is the neural internet. It is decentralized artificial intelligence. And this one, like I said, I think it's destined to be in that top 10 market cap. The way it's moving right now it reminds me a lot of Bitcoin itself, the way the price action is moving. Again, I've covered Tau extensively in many videos in the past, and I want to get on some guests here on the channel that are working on the BitTensor network themselves, whether they're running validators or building out actual AI models. I do plan on having some of the guests up here on my channel, or some of those people as guests on my channel in the future. So definitely be on the lookout for that and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in seeing some of that content. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Tau price chart. So it just made a new all-time high on yesterday's candle at $395. It's pulling back a bit, but this thing is all gas, no brakes. And I talk about the concept in my free ebook of the fact that the winners will keep on winning, typically. Right? These are not meme coins where people are just going to want to rotate out of them and go to the next flavor of the month meme. These are very solid fundamental projects, and the people that hold these coins know exactly what they are and they have conviction. Right? A lot of the people that are holding them with big positions have been buying many months ago, maybe over a year ago. They're up huge, but they're still holding for the bull run because they understand the potential of these projects. So Tau, if it does pull back, you have this previous range over here at around $300. Maybe it goes down there for an entry. That would be a blessing. But oftentimes you can't afford to wait for the perfect entry in a bull market. It will just keep on flying. So yeah, I see Tau going to 4 figures per coin. On a conservative end, I can see it going to around $2,000 to $3,000. On a mid-conservative end, maybe $4,000 to $5,000. And an extremely bullish outcome, I can see it reaching upwards of $10,000 per coin. But that would be an extremely bullish outcome. So keep that in mind. So Tau, very bullish on it. Largest position in my own portfolio. Let's go ahead and move on to coin number 3 that I think is kind of a must hold. And that is Cubic. I talk about Cubic a lot on the channel. I repeat myself a lot, but that's because you can't really go wrong with this project. Created by Come From Beyond. He is the creator of IOTA and NXT. He is essentially a genius. He was the 3rd person ever to mine Bitcoin. And he's been developing Cubic for over a decade now. This is not something that just popped up out of nowhere. This has been in development for a long time. This is a proof of useful work cryptocurrency, meaning that the energy mined for the proof of work to mine the coins goes to training artificial intelligence models. Cubic right now has a market cap of $350 million. It's trading for $4,700 per billion Cubic, all right? And in terms of its price potential and how high it could actually go, I think we could see 6 figures per billion in the bull run. Not financial advice, but I'm holding a bag for that scenario to play out. Now, if we look at the price chart of Cubic, it has just broken out of a previous range and made a new high here. And it did pull back and retest the previous all-time high at around $4,300 per billion. It looks ready to continue higher. Again, if you want to wait for a lower entry, you could just miss it altogether. I think it's extremely criminally undervalued at $350 million market cap. So definitely look into Cubic. I did not mention in my ebook Cubic. I actually got into Cubic in November. Again, this ebook was released in early September. So keep that in mind. I'm bullish, I hold it, and I'm expecting much higher. So these are all relative mid caps or high caps, right? Caspa, over 2 bill market cap. Tau, over 2 bill market cap. Cubic, 350 mil market cap. Let's get into some lower market cap coins. And next one is Router Protocol. Router Protocol is now a mid cap at a $100 million market cap. I've been talking about router protocol from around $3, give or take, and now it's at $7. So congratulations to everybody that watches my channel. I talk about this basically in every single Sunday live stream for months now, and it's up over 100%, which is a beautiful thing to say. Now, router protocol is a layer 1 blockchain built on the Cosmos SDK software development kit, so it's an interoperable blockchain. And with that being said, it focuses on interoperability itself. It has a built-in bridge that allows you to seamlessly interact with any other chain. The mainnet is going to be going live for router protocol in January 2024, and we're seeing some anticipation with the price action start to jump. Tokenomics, so there's 21 million total coins, and right now there is around 14 million in circulation. This is backed by Coinbase, and it has a lot of other big backers as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the route price chart. Route, root, whatever you want to call it. I call it route and root. I switch back and forth between them. It's really router protocol. Anyways, looking at this price chart on the weekly time frame, it has broken out of a 2-year long accumulation range, and the longer the base, the bigger the rise. So I'm expecting a huge rise up. I can see router protocol trading for over $100 per coin. Realistically, I can see it going somewhere between $300 to $500 over the course of a full bull market. Right now it's at $7. So are you too late? I don't think you're too late. But again, we were buying down here at Crypto Empire at around $3 to $4. So yeah, route, very bullish. I think it definitely deserves a place in any bull market portfolio. You can go hold other interoperable projects like Quant, but route is probably going to outperform you. So keep that in mind. I hold route. I'm bullish. Go ahead and move on to the last coin in this video, Change Finance. Change Finance is a DeFi application. This is going to be the largest decentralized exchange, in my opinion, created by the founder of VeChain, DJ Quyen. He built the Fusion FCRM technology, and it allows you to, again, switch between any blockchain in one transaction seamlessly. It's a very, very easy to use application, or it will be at least. Right now, it's actually a little bit complicated to use, but they're going to be releasing a version 2.0 of Change very soon. They're also going to update the tokenomics to make it more favorable for token holders. So a lot of huge updates on the horizon for Change. Right now, the market cap is 57 mil. I started buying Change at around 8.4 cents. So I'm not even up huge on this one yet. This one's been a bit of a slower mover, but I think it's poised to explode over the course of the bull run. Let's go ahead and take a look at the price chart here of Change Finance on the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, again, similar to router protocol, it is, the charts don't look identical, but I have a range here between my orange lines at 12 cents and 8 cents. I bought here when it reclaimed the range, and it has gone up a little bit, but it's not even 100% up from the buy price at a 57 mil market cap. I think, again, that it is criminally undervalued, similar to Cubic, where it's like super, super undervalued. I'm expecting a huge run for Change Finance. And, I can see this going to, not financial advice, my own speculation, but wouldn't be surprised to see like $8 to $10 per CHNG token. So anyways, this is just a brief overview of some of the projects that I hold in my own portfolio. If I was starting from zero, I would be looking into these. Starting from scratch, building a portfolio today, I would definitely be looking into these. You have to read my free ebook for the full strategy, or you won't really understand my thought process. So go ahead and check that out. And if you want to know my full portfolio, you need to join my Discord group. Go to the link in the description down below. Check out my Whoop page, and you can sign up for the Discord, and you can get access to my full portfolio. You can ask me questions. And there's also a very vibrant, lively community in there where we are going over projects, we're looking at stuff and communicating all day. So definitely check it out if you're interested in that. I can't say how much longer it will be open to the public because it has grown faster than I could have ever imagined over the past few months. So get in while you can, and I hope that you did enjoy this video. So in this video, I spoke about how I would go ahead and set up a portfolio for the 2024 crypto bull market if I was just getting into the cryptocurrency market today. I went over a few of the coins that I would definitely look to include in this said portfolio and why I would include them. If you want my full strategy, I literally wrote a free ebook giving you my philosophy on why I do things the way that I do. Go ahead and get that free ebook. It's free. It's literally free. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And follow me on Twitter at @CCellCrypto. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next video.